Hi, this is Don with UniquelyDOUBLEBEE, and today's episode is going to be on how I improved our air diffusers in our floor of our RV, which is a 2021 Jayco North Point fifth wheel. And I thought I'd show you what I did to keep hair and other types of debris out from the duct. And also while I'm there, I'm going to go ahead and fix a couple things on the duct. So if you could, like and subscribe. And here we go. All right, I'm going to start with this diffuser, which is in the back of our RV at the bathroom. I've already pulled this diffuser to get this thing started, but the tools I'm going to use are some zip ties, power drill with a square tip for the fasteners, simple grain to clean the inside of the duct and the diffuser itself. And then I'm going to use some fiberglass screen to add to this diffuser so we can block debris from getting down into the duct. Gloves, use some duct tape, possibly use this stapler, some scissors to cut the fiberglass, my Dyson vacuum to clean out the debris, and this trash can to throw away this mess that I already pulled from this one, which is disgusting. Alright, as I took apart this register, I noticed that you can see here they taped with duct tape this long edge and some of this long edge here on this part, but there's a gap here all the way across here, so it's letting air underneath the floor. And then again over here you can see the duct doesn't have anything here, so I'm gonna add some new duct tape first, and then I'm gonna work on cleaning the diffuser itself and installing the screen. Now what I'm gonna do is redo some of this and just make it within the edge of the diffuser out here, so that way we don't have any gaps like this along this edge. There, that should get it. So, should have no gaps now, which should keep air from flowing up under the floor, stay in this duct and come out the diffuser. For the screen, what I'm using is this fiberglass screen, and you can buy this at Lowe's. This is a large roll, but I'm going to cut it down, of course. I got the charcoal because it matches our campus floor. And this is rated at heat resistance of 1400 degrees Fahrenheit that I looked up, so it should be alright when we run the heat. now that I got this piece cut out, make sure it fits in there. Get it nice and smooth and flat. Tuck down there. Because what I'm going to do, in order to not have any fasteners for our feet to step on, I'm just going to lay that flat there. There, that's good. Then I'm going to take Gorilla Glue and I'm going to put dots as many places as I can to hold that thing down, but first lay that down so I can protect the floor. And put a glove on so I don't stick my fingers to anything. Of course, I grabbed the only bottle with very little in it. Be right back. Alright, now this Gorilla Glue you can get at any hardware store, Walmart, Harbor Freight, but these little guys you can get at Harbor Freight, super cheap. Let's see, this one's got a little bit in it, so we'll try it. Alright, now that that's set up, make sure you clean up a little bit of spillover occurred, but as you can see it's in there pretty solid. I'm pushing on it, so now that way I can just take the vacuum and vacuum only out this area instead of taking this register off or diffuser plate off all the time. So now we'll just put it back on here. Nice and snug. We'll put the fasteners back. Remember to set your drill to the lowest torque so you don't break the plastic there. Or you can just hand tighten, which also helps. And there we go. Got that back together. Clean your mess up. Well, that concludes this short video, and share it with your friends. Till next time. Stay RVing.